welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Casey and I am a 22-year-old living in San Francisco, but not for that much longer, so that secret is coming out soon. This video is going to be a what I eat in a week, and I do practice intuitive eating and I don't count my calories anymore. Anyway, let's get into this video and eat the yummy food. Monday morning, you already know, I had to start off my morning with some coffee with almond milk and frothed caramel creamer. It was delish. Any loyal viewer already knows what's coming. My go-to breakfast is always a spinach and egg scramble. This time I had a side of rotisserie chicken from Costco and grapes. I don't think you guys understand. I'm obsessed with these Chobani flips. They taste like dessert and are so satisfying. I'm absolutely in love. As for other midday snacks, I love these Trader Joe's knockoff Takis, and then I had some more Costco rotisserie chicken because great source of protein. Then for dinner, I had some Korean noodles with veggies and chicken that my mom made, and it was so freaking delicious. Then I had some bloobs because bloobs are so good. For breakfast this day, I wanted some avocado toast, but on rice cakes. So I just smashed my avocado on there, threw on some salmon lox, and it was perfection. As an afternoon snack, I had some blueberries, and then I had half of a Barbell protein bar in the salty peanut flavor, and it was delicious. It tastes like a candy bar. This week in particular, my mom brought home so much good food because it was lab week, so they were treated well, and I ate this pizza for lunch and it was so freaking good. Hi guys, so I'm interrupting this what I eat in a week to show you guys the package I got from Public Goods. And Public Goods is a sustainable, affordable, essentials, like they have essentials, they have food, everything online company. And I just got 3 things. I picked their gluten-free cookies because I want to make them later this week. Grain-free granola that's already almost gone because me and my mom have been obsessed with it. So delicious. And then last but not least, I got some almond butter because I ran out. But yeah, you guys can use my code right here for 10-15% off. I need to check on that, but I have a code. Use it, and it's so good. I'm gonna try this right now. Almond butter, chocolate rice cake, which y'all know I love my chocolate rice cakes. Big daddy bite. ASMR. Prime. Then I had half of this breakfast sandwich my mom brought home. It was perfection, once again. For breakfast this morning, I had some banana, tangerine, and mangoes with granola on top, and it was so freaking good. I love mangoes. For lunch, I wanted to make a homemade poke bowl, so I took some of this fish cake and I shredded it. It's kind of like imitation crab. I shredded that and then I added some Kewpie mayo, which is Japanese mayo. It's a little sweeter. Sriracha, and then on the base I put some white rice, avocado, and then furikake. And it was a delicious, easy poke bowl. So I have my midday green tea here. Green tea is better than having coffee in the middle of the day. It's like 2 p.m. But I'm so dumb. So Public Goods asked me if they could send me some goodies. So I picked out this gluten-free cookie thing off their website, thinking it's gonna be like a cookie mix where I'm gonna bake it. I open it. It's pre-made cookies. And they're so tiny. That's why when I was reading like the back for instructions, I was like, 10 cookies are only 120 calories? That's amazing. And then I open it and it's like these little tiny cookies. Focus. Yeah. And they're gluten-free. But yeah, I'm gonna eat like this now. Well, taste test. They taste exactly like Tate's. You know, the East Hampton. Fuck. You know, like the East Hampton Tate's cookies? Tastes exactly like it. So good. Also obsessed with how my hair looks right now. My mom keeps bringing home all these yummy foods that are, because it's lab week at her work and they're just having caterers every day. So this is a breakfast burrito. And then she brought home a muffin and a croissant. And oh my god, I'm gonna take a bite of this right now. Yeah, it has avocado in this. For breakfast this day, I made myself some oatmeal with a Trader Joe's instant oatmeal packet, almond butter, blueberries, cinnamon, and then I had a hard-boiled egg on the side, and it was chef's kiss. For a snack, I had some club crackers, delicious, and then I made myself a noon coffee because you gotta get that little boost in the middle of the day. For lunch, I had a hodgepodge of a soup that my mom made with glass noodles, meats, and seafood and cabbage, and I had a little bowl of that. And after, I had a sweet tooth, so I had some bananas, mangoes, and tangerines that I cut up the day prior. For dinner, I decided to make my version of Vietnamese spring rolls. So you're gonna need some rice paper rolls, warm water, and you just dip your rice paper rolls in a bowl of warm water. You lay that on a flat surface, fill it up with any veggies you like. I use spinach, snap peas, and some pre-made chicken that is from Trader Joe's. You wrap it together gently, and then there you go. Super easy, delicious, and so freaking good. This morning I had a turkey, egg, and spinach scramble with a side of blueberries. A couple hours after breakfast, I went to pick up Kim and we headed 3 hours north to Chico to visit my best friend Ashlyn in her college town. Once we got there, we were starving and we got In-N-Out. I got a cheeseburger animal style with animal fries, which is a must. And then we hit up the bars and drank a lot of alcohol responsibly. And that is everything I ate this week, and I am just so happy to share my newfound relationship with food. And if you guys like content like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching.